Thanks for logging on for another episode of The Mass Reader. I'm your host, Brittany Cooper, and today's Mass Reader will be reading pages from I Hate School by Jeannie Willis. See if you can guess who this Mass Reader is.
They throw us out of windows, and they make us walk on glass. I've heard they cut your head off if you're talking during class. No wonder that she made a fuss and didn't want to go. But surely she had lovely friends. Young Honor Bernard cried, "No." My friends are crooks and villains. They're pirates. They are bad.
Think you may know who this Mass Reader is? Here's your clue. This Mass Reader is known as the Watchdog. Now, if you're watching on our YouTube page, please visit our website at memphislibrary.org. And if you are already on our website, please type in your guess. And if you are correct, your name will be entered into a drawing to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Meanwhile, stop by any Memphis Public Library to pick up a free copy of I Hate School while supplies last. Good luck.